everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times design team project. And so this week I am using the spooky season stamps, and I'm using this one along with the sentiment plate, and of course I'm using these two. I'm using her ghost dies, and they're facing opposite ways, and I'm using these and these. Bright Halloween 2024. That's the paper that I'm using. I'm using this and this. And then the Etched Edge Z-fold card, and I'm using just the basis of the die along with its layers, and then the gift card holder. And I'm also using the Girl and Boy Ginger dies. A couple other items that I'm using the small and medium ginger face dies, as well as the Ginger Boy and Girl costume dies. So I'm using the witch dies on there and the broom. And here is this adorable little trifold card. That Z-fold card is just adorable, and I use this little cute little witch, just too cute. And look at her outfit. I doubled up the dress so to add an extra layer down there. Put on her necklace. I doubled up the bow so I could pop it up, as you could tell there, hopefully. Put a ghost behind her, and one here, and then one there along with the gift card. And I didn't put anything here. I might, I'm not sure, but I like how it looks. And then that adorable face, of course, on there. And then if you flip it over on the back side, I just layered up the ghosts so it wouldn't show the other side, and it was perfect because of that little circle you put on there. It's just like a double layer, so you can have the front side and the back side, so you use the opposite ghosts of what you've laid on there. So just super cute. There goes that little October 31st Halloween saying there. And I did finish the back on all of those. Just adorable card. I love it. Just too cute. So check out the picture at the end, and make sure you also head over to my Design Team Sisters, my Creative Times channel, and of course her store. And that's all I have for you, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.